Hi friends, my name is Rohan Chandra. Last 2 years, many stocks have given many-fold returns. They have multiplied many times. However, at the same time, many well-known companies have given zero returns in spite of being fundamentally strong. We have compiled a list of stocks which are trading at the same price which was existing some years back. Very interesting to look at this. Stocks which are given zero returns. Number 1, HDFC Bank, zero returns for the last 34 months. Kotak Mahindra Bank, 34 months, zero returns. ICICI Bank, 14 months, zero returns. Zero returns means today's price and 14 months back approximately the same price prevailed. Reliance Industries, 25 months. TCS, 27 months, zero returns. Infosys, 29 months, zero returns. ITC, 6 months, zero returns. Voltas, 35 months, zero returns. Divis Labs, 36 months, zero returns. HUL, 42 months, zero returns. Marico, 29 months. Pidilite Industries, 25 months. Dabur, 35 months. Bajaj Finance, 27 months. And Asian Paints, approximately 28 months. The price was the same, in the sense today's price and 28 months back it was the same price. But in the middle, there must have been a lot of fluctuation. It would have gone higher, it would have fallen also. But right now, if we compare, it is looking like zero returns for this particular period. If you have such stocks in a portfolio, it must be very difficult to see them consolidate in spite of decent or good performance in their business. Sometimes there may be no major reason for consolidation. But most times, stock prices catch up with the fundamentals of the business in the long term. This is why it is not easy to make money from stock markets, and this is why all investors do not make money. Only people who have patience, discipline and are aware of how to manage their portfolio will do well. The others will just blame the stock markets or their bad luck for their poor performance, and they will just say that stock markets is not a good place to invest, and they will discourage others also to not invest. Unfortunately, we cannot blame stock markets. We can only adjust to stock markets and take advantage of the stock markets. When consolidation or correction happens in the stock market, as long as the fundamentals are improving, we can continue to hold and invest in the stock as long as we are confident of its potential in the future. However, if the fundamentals are also deteriorating, then it could be risky since the situation may be uncertain. If you like this video, please click the like button. And also, today movie tickets in multiplexes are minimum of around 250 or 300, sometimes even more. In your memory, what was a movie ticket when you were very young, or as a child when you went with your parents? What was the approximate ticket price? Mention in the comment section. I remember it was probably around 50 or 60 rupees, not more than that. Today it is 5-6 times that, and that is inflation has gone up considerably. So mention in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. Thank you and bye bye.